Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial video using Autodesk Advanced Steel 2019, and today we're going to look at how we can add a column to the building model. So this is a follow-on from my regular tutorial series, and at the rear of the building I'm going to add in some manual columns into position here. On the Home tab you will notice that under the Objects panel there is a column tool, and this allows you to create a steel column of a default length. So when I click it, the command line prompts me, please locate start point of the system axis. So this is looking for the insert point. Now the snap that I'm using currently is the node point, and you will see that when I go into my building model and I use the column tool, it will actually highlight the node points. So I'm just going to click at F5 and it simply adds a column to my building model. I right click to finish and I get my standard beam configuration. You may start to wonder, well, where is the column length defined? Because currently, when I select it, if I go to its properties, you will see that it has a section length of 3 meters. And what's actually controlling this section length is the management tools. So on the Home tab, I can click my management tools button and I select my defaults area. Now, if you're used to Advanced Steel, you can sort of start to see where different management tool controls are, but if you're unsure, you can use the Use Filter button. And if you select the Use Filter, it gives you an area that you can simply type the name of the default that you're looking for. And I've just simply typed in column. I expand beam, and you'll see under the general section, in the management tools, I've got a default height for the column. So if I change that to 2500, I use the load settings into advanced button, close it down, and then just to be sure I'm going to use this button called update defaults, and that will update the latest variations to the management tools into my existing model. And then what I'm going to do is select, I simply select the column tool again, select the position, and you will now see that the difference in height for the columns is now respecting that management tool default. So just to finish this off, I'm going to take out both these columns, re-input them again. So I go to my column tool, I want to position a column in this position, this one and this one, right click to finish, and then I can get to work and set my section size. So I'm just going to say that it's a UK column and it's a 152 by 152. Here I can change the standard positioning, so I can actually start to offset the different positions. I can angle the rotation, so I'm going to leave them pretty standard. I can choose the naming. You can see that the beam model role is already set to column, and then I can use the fabrication data and standard information that I want. So that's simple as that. It is run based upon a management tool setting, so management tool, update defaults, search for a column, and then you can preset the height of your columns. So join me again soon for another tutorial using Autodesk Advanced Steel.